Good day, everybody. Demo 5 Connect Enterprise integration with Azure DevOps. After initial round of testing and promotion of application to production, the code base is available in Azure repository. If any change request or changes are performed, then the build generation and deployment in all environment along with unit system acceptance and non-functional testing will be performed in Azure pipeline and code will be promoted to higher environment, that is production. Note all the unit system acceptance and non-functional testing are automated and present in the Azure pipeline. And for the changes push, the continuous integration and continuous deployment would let me push the code and see how the continuous integration and continuous deployment works in Azure. I'm pushing the code. The code is successfully pushed. Let us navigate to the build pipeline. So the build pipeline execution has automatically started due to the trigger. If there is any commits in the Azure repository, the build pipeline would be triggered automatically. The build pipeline would generate application builds and testing artifacts. These artifacts would be pushed to the release pipeline and deployment of application in all the environments, and testing artifacts would be pushed to testing and acceptance environment. Once all the tests are successful and if approval is given in the acceptance environment by the users and the product owner, then the code would be put to the production environment. The application would be pushed to the production environment. Pushing of application is not in the scope of the demo. We would be seeing how the build generation occurs and how various tests such as unit system acceptance and non-functional testing occurs. So the release pipeline has automatically been triggered. First, deployment is occurring in the test environment, and system test would be executed. Once the deployment and system test execution are successful, the deployment would occur in the acceptance environment. Here, the functional automation testing, acceptance testing is executed. Right now, the execution is in progress. So it is validating the functionality whether the web service is working as expected. So once the execution is complete, let us review all the results. What are the reports generated? Let us wait for the system acceptance test to complete. The acceptance test is completed successfully. Let me go to the build pipeline. In build pipeline, various results such as unit test results and performance test results are available. Let us review that. So this is the unit test report. So all the unit tests are passed, and this is the status of the unit test. Let us go to the performance test results. This is the JMeter test result for this execution, and all are passed, and these are the statistics available. Let me navigate to, so all the charts are derived, and so these are the details. Let me go to the AI report which was generated using the artificial intelligence and data science. Here are the details. Here we have the details about the average response, maximum response, and throughput, and if errors are there, those details will be present. So in an enterprise, there are heterogeneous applications are present across the landscape such as C, Java, Python, and JavaScript, etc. Application with various backend databases such as Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, DB2. Here, data communication is versatile and volume is huge, which are handled by the enterprise service bus applications such as IBM App Connect Enterprise. Hence, development, testing, and operation plays a vital role in organizational business success. Thanks for your time and thanks for watching this demo series. Thank you all.